gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. Then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck!
You're gonna need it.
Terrence, this is Centurion Merrick again. We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock, and it appears we need to open it manually. Now, no one has ever had to do that before, and to be perfectly honest... Oh, we got it! You're good to go! Let's do this!
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang!
I'm gonna get that generator. It's
Whoa!
way back.
There it is! We got the generator!
Rocket, get us home.
Really helps. And a disruption manual.
100 stories high.
Yeah, we did that all the time. Anytime. Okay. Let me try. Wait, just four.
Milk gives me gas.
Quelle, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Levity! Link the stop latch! We haven't contained, but not for long.
Well, nobody's perfect. It's Epcot. Remind me to raise that rate.
You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.